Hey guys, what's up? It's AB Trades here. We're going to be doing another video of quote-unquote my predictions. I don't do videos like this often, but we've had a lot of craziness in the market as you've seen. Yesterday we had this huge sell-off because of interest rate cuts. Today we had a huge sell-off because of Trump tweeting. Oh my gosh, what kind of world are we in when the president can tweet about something and the market drops nearly 5 points? That's ridiculous. Alright guys, let's get into covering how I planned my technical analysis for today, how it played out to be around true, and how you can do the same. Alright, this video is going to be quick and short, so please stay around. Please hit that button, you know, that little thing down there where it shows subscribe. Yeah, hit that, turn on the alerts, and please comment and let me know what you're thinking. Alright, so as you can see here, this was today's action. This is on the 5-minute chart. You can see here that we had this nice push up. We had a nice movement looking like it was a nice pullback. If you wouldn't have actually seen this part of the chart here, if you would have just seen this, you would have seen, okay, nice uptrend moving into a pullback. We're going to look for it to retest this high and break up to the upside, right? We're going to see some nice movement off these lows that SPY had yesterday, right? We're looking for that move higher. But guess what? Trump decided, you know what, I'm going to tweet here, and I'm going to use social media influence to affect the stock market. Again, that wasn't his intent, but that's what happened, and that's what always happens when Trump tweets. As again, you can prepare for everything, but sometimes you don't know what exactly you're preparing for. But we had this huge sell-off. We're closing below this trend line. We kind of validated it as a resistance, and we're moving down. What is this showing? We're setting up for a 10% continuation play tomorrow. We'll be looking for SPY to close around these lows here, hold these lows, and then look for that nice short up in the morning. That was just what we're looking for tomorrow. But that's not what you're here for. I just wanted to give you a quick breakdown. Anyways, this is how you do technical analysis on a stock before the stock market is open. Looking here, we can see that, okay, we go to the daily chart first, my bad, and we look, okay, what is the trend? You can tell here the trend is to the upside. Looking here at 2019 so far, we're uptrending. So what is this right here? This is known as the pullback. We have support here. So we're going to go into the 15-minute chart next, knowing in our heads long term we have an uptrend going on. So we can see here, okay, looking at pre-market, if we just cover pre-market here, okay, we have a dip. We valid from yesterday's video where I talked about watch for 296 to act as support. That's exactly what we had here. 296 came in, acted as support, kind of pushed up. Then we kind of formed this this next low and started picking up again. So I was like, okay, this is awesome. What are we showing? We're showing that we're actually starting to have these higher lows, which is indicative of a reversal or an uptrend. So now that we're getting this pullback here, I was like, all right guys, our resistance is going to be here at 298. Let's look at exactly what I said here. Pre-market notes to everyone, including the free chat. So if you want that, this is going to be the first link below. I have no idea what to expect, but as always, I don't know what to expect, but this is my plan. Resistance at 298.5. So if you can see here, resistance was at 298.5. So that's where you go long. If it gets above that level, you're going long. Support at 296. If it breaks below 296, why? Because this is where 296 held. These two strong candles came into this area, got rejected, came in and got rejected at this area. 296 is a whole number level. Again, I don't know how much I can stress that. So we have this whole number level, 296, playing as our support. And then it says range bound or sideways in between. So what are we looking at here? Let's get a look of the whole day. Let's look at it on the 1-minute chart so we can fully understand everything that happened here. So if you can see, if I want to put in these lines for everyone so that we can start to understand. So our resistance where we're going long above was right here. Our support where we were going short below was right here. Okay, so range bound in between these lines, long above, short below. Pretty simple, right? This is how you can plan for it. Using simple support and resistance, understanding trends, right? We're coming from a downtrend. We're making these higher lows. Thus, we're getting put into, at least for a short time frame, we're getting put into an uptrend, and we're gonna look to break this level. So if we zoom in here, we look at just the morning. You can see here that we got up to this level, we got rejected, and we pushed above, and then we formed. Basically, you can't tell too well, but if you would like to draw it out this way, this is what is known as a rising wedge pattern or a symmetrical triangle pattern. We got this breakout, consolidation, volume picked up. We got that nice bounce, and then it cruised all the way up to the upside, up to that 300, almost 301 level, which actually is our resistance, okay? Then we kind of did this huge, major sell-off because of Trump tweeting, and then we have this breakdown under this level showing, okay, we're back into range bound, don't touch this mode, right? We're in between here. We finally broke through here, and when we broke through, we started to slowly shift down, but again, this was after the market was reacting to the huge drop, so we didn't get much of that move, but we did start to sell off and look more bearish underneath that move. Alright guys, I hope you understood some about technical analysis. If you didn't, let me quickly break it down. Look at the daily, understand long-term trends. 2, go to the 15-minute chart to understand what is the minor trend doing in this major trend. And 3, trade the daily based off the plan that you started before the market even opened. Stick to the plan no matter what happens, and more times than not, you will succeed given the plan is logical. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all tomorrow.